Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. Besides this item, if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Thank you guys over at DigitNow for sending me this unit for a review. Man, this is definitely a nostalgia piece to have. Something totally different I've never seen before. And this is a CD, turntable, cassette, aux-in radio player. We got the vinyl, we got the CD, and cassette. I'm not sure if I have any cassettes anymore. I do have a vinyl we could try out. Maybe a CD if I could find it, something. But yeah, they've been gone since, those days. But we're going to test this out and look at it. Be right back. Alright guys, I forgot on the side, it shows what is inside. Flashing drive, encoding directly, 3 speeds, speakers, cassette, big LED screen, sweet. Analog AM FM cassette or a CD player. Oh baby. So definitely excited to show this one off. And then coming up. Wow, look at this. I'm really impressed. I got a big old screen right there. You can have your SD cards, USB, aux, headphones, cassette player, turntable. There's cassette. I gotta turn it on and show you. MP3, record play, folder. There's a sticker right on this. To power it on, hold it for 5 seconds. There's a little sticker. I peel that off, so that's how you do that. Here's a turntable. Look at that. Pretty good size speakers too. Really impressed. Alright, now it's time to plug it in and test this thing out. Alright guys, we're going to do some good old Jefferson Airplane. The worst. White Rabbit. And here's the back. Pretty simple. Got FM antenna. The speakers left and right. Pretty simple to install. You just gotta push it in. Right, so. Bada boom, bada bing. And now, turning it on. Alright guys, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, we got FM.
The top hyperbole.
Okay, here we go. Mode, SD, CD. Let's see if it opens. God, I miss the days of cassette and CDs. I mean, now it's a lot easier and better, but still. How do I open? Oh. Whoa. That was fast action. Alright. Now where is the cassette? Mode. Bluetooth. Tape. Does it pop up? Hold on. Look at that. Right on the side. That is really cool. You can see in the hole. Yep. Definitely kind of looks like an 8-track almost. You guys might be too young for the 8-track days, but I barely remember them. It comes with the remote. And like I said, this. And now we'll switch to phono. I think that's what the record player is. Hold on. Yeah, look at that spin. Make sure you don't lose this. This goes onto the needle. think you could pause it.
Outside it is to be a man alone. I feel so solitary being in my home.
Oh wow, that one, that is loud, guys. I know it sounds different on your guys' side, but clear as day, just like it's brand new. That the album or the vinyl just came out. Really impressed. I'm gonna test out the cassette. Give me a second, I'm gonna find it. Now look at this, guys. Now this is classic right here. Look at these. This is how we used to listen to music back in the day, guys. Still in good quality. This one survived. So I'm not sure which end is which. I think we just trial and error. Whoa. Alright. Now can I switch tape? Sweet. Sounds good. There we go. I think I could stop it open. Oh, come on. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. There we go. So that was cool. And now the CD should sound fine. I gotta look for one of those. Alright guys, now we got a little Metallica. CD open. How did I do it? Ooh. Yeah, it says right there, open. Come on. Open. There we go. Now close it. We should all know this song by now. song brings me back to good days. Man, my ears, my head. This thing sounds amazing, guys. Check them out. DigitNow. Excellent. I don't have anything on USB or a SD card to try out, so, you know, give it a try if you do, especially like DJs. I know they carry their USB sticks everywhere, so, but this is completely amazing. Great for a Christmas gift, birthday gifts, gift to yourself. Take a trip down this nostalgia lane. Some retro, vintage, and brand new. Oh yeah, this sounds excellent. And that CD is like, I don't even know how old. 10, 20 years maybe longer. Sounds really good. And we heard the Boss and the Jefferson Airplane, so definitely check them out. Have a good day.